This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by composing the message and immediately enabling confidential mode. This attaches protections to a single email. Choose an expiration, 1 week, 1 month, or a custom date, because the message will become inaccessible after that point. Next, decide whether to require an SMS passcode for recipient access. This prevents unauthorized viewing even if the recipient's account is compromised. Once done, verify the recipient address and include any attachments. Remember, some attachments may still be downloadable if not handled correctly. Now you fine-tune permissions so the recipient sees only what you intend. If you pick SMS passcode, enter the recipient's phone number and confirm the country code. They'll receive a one-time code to open the message. If you choose standard access, make sure to toggle off download, print, and copy to limit data leakage. Once configured, add an informative subject and body. Explain how to access the message, because a quick instruction saves time and prevents confusion. Finish by sending the email and then confirming receipt, especially when you used an SMS passcode. Ask the recipient to tell you if they received the code. You can revoke access prior to expiration from sent mail if plans change. Open the message, click Remove Access, and the content becomes inaccessible. If the recipient can't open the message, make sure the passcode SMS arrived, check their spam or carrier blocks, and resend the secure email, or switch to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.